Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Out here in the early morning on the woodpile with another quick review for you. Alright, got this knife. Check this out. Now, well, that's the sheath. Has a breakaway chain in case you wish to use it as a neck knife. It's got some eyelets there. So that's the sheath. Back in the day, Cold Steel used to have a knife called the Pro Guard. The Pro Guard has been discontinued for a while now. You can no longer get the Cold Steel Pro Guard, right? But, well, enter Armory Replicas. That's the brand, Armory Replicas. Well, yeah, it's a replica of the Pro Guard. They're calling it the Bird of Prey Talon neck knife. It was $19, blade length 3.25 inches, and it is a currently available version that resembles the Cold Steel Pro Guard, which is a discontinued knife. So this has a very useful blade shape, has a retaining ring, a 3-finger handle, but it provides an excellent grip with lots of security and control. Right, texture there, true full tank construction, a little bit of jimping there. The forward tip great for draw cuts and piercing, starting cuts. All right, yeah, that's a good design. Of course, I gotta credit that to Cold Steel. A lot of people that have the Cold Steel are going to buy this just because the Cold Steel at this point is a collector's item. So don't, this thing is, $19. You can use and abuse it. It's semi-disposable. So if you have the Cold Steel, keep that in mint condition if it's still in good condition, right? And get this as a user. Now, YouTube, if you believe in radical concepts like freedom and self-defense, go ahead and help a brother out by leaving a positive comment. Light up that comment section. Let that algorithm know that you're here, and they better cater to you. If you like gear reviews, leave a comment. The good thing about this is that it's a 3-finger handle, but it gives a very secure grip. Lots of control. Gives an excellent grip. Some people are afraid of the ring. Bro, you don't have to use the ring if you don't want, if you're afraid of getting caught in there, but I wouldn't worry about it. So this is the type of knife that if you carry it day to day, you're going to use it as a utility knife, right? Opening your mail, stuff like that. But in the unfortunate case that you have to defend yourself, it would be pretty useful to have this hidden on your person and bust this out if that becomes necessary. Anti-grappling type knife, something like that. Obviously get proper training and make sure that the threat justifies the use of that type of deadly force, but it's pretty obvious. I mean, this could save you. Bottom line, this could save you. Use responsibly. But the big question, can you spin it with the ring? Well, it's handle heavy because of those scales, okay? But if you try hard enough, you can spin it. All right, did it come sharp? Pretty sharp. This paper's a little damp because it's so humid. There you go. Got a strap, kind of like a seat belt. There you go. I'm gonna whittle on this. I already got some tips on this, but that's okay. I'll make it even more pointed with this. It's actually not the best whittler, but just to encourage some usage in reviews. You can sharpen a pencil with it or whatnot. Alright, useful comparisons with another neck knife I got recently. This is the toe knife Crescent. The toe knife Crescent. Bit shorter, but kind of a similar idea. Yeah, very similar idea. Alright, so this one was $33 or $34. So this one definitely beats it in the price department, but yeah, I like both of these. Very similar handles, and I like them for the same reasons. Very good utility designs, the blade shapes, the retention, the compactness, the ease of carry. So there's a comparison with, well, you got two pretty good neck knives. I'll include links to both of these below the video for your convenience. useful for utility, and also has its uses in the last ditch arena. All right, so that's why I thought you would enjoy seeing it. I got this on Amazon, and if I didn't like it, I could return it, right? So there's no risk. I am going to keep it because having cut a bunch of stuff with it, I feel that it is very useful, and I am 100% certain that it was worth the low price that I paid. So yeah, I like it for the price, a good budget knife. So recommended for the price. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. This has been We All Juggle Knives. Subscribe if you have not already. I'm out.